Hi folks, this is Chirag from London, UK. Wanted to share some excitement that's building around an event that's going to be taking place in Glasgow, Scotland in February next year. And it's Scottish Summit, which is going to happen on the Saturday 29th, which is a free event that's going to cover various tracks around Azure, Office 365, Power Platform, SharePoint, Dynamics 365, and many other tracks. And with over 90 sessions with well-known speakers from around the world, is sure going to be a big day. So get your tickets booked to visit Glasgow, Scotland. And I'm also speaking there as well. And my session is going to be covering building a perfect Microsoft 365 tenant. And so I'm hoping to see you there, and also myself going to be attending various sessions to learn from various of the speakers that I've not even met before. So head over to the website at scottishsummit.com, and for the event updates, follow the Twitter handle, which is Scottish Summit, and the hashtag is SS2020. Hope to see you there.